This is LaserPecker, the world's smallest smart portable laser engraver. Start from scratch. Automatic lifting and focusing. It can determine the height of the object accurately and engrave precisely. LaserPecker can copy your sketch to make it work on your desktop. Choose a favorite photo and connect to your smartphone or tablet and start engraving immediately. There are no restrictions on LaserPecker. Record your ideas at any time, anywhere, with any pattern and style. Exclusive foldable protective cover. Provides better protection and using experience. You can also use it to cut out the model from cardboard or blanket. With LaserPecker, you can decorate your home or even your loved ones. Make the ordinary day become extraordinary. Personalize your item. Draw and engrave on craft cardboard, wood, leather, and many other materials with so many different applications. It is also suitable for expanding tripods. Carve any place that belongs to you. LaserPecker is compact and portable. It can be lifted, folded, and stored fast. You can take it anywhere. It's easy to get LaserPecker ready to work. Laser engraving is as simple as having a cup of coffee. Realize all your imaginations with LaserPecker.
Meet Monster X, the most powerful battery-powered generator on the planet. Monster X is a rule changer, bringing you the strongest power and the fastest recharging experience like never before. For the first time, a battery can provide 2,000 watt power like the standard of any wall outlet so that you can get a solid power supply anytime and anywhere. Monster X packs a massive 1,300 watt-hours battery, which is the most reliable companion, keeping a wide range of devices stay powered for hours and hours. You could even use it as an emergency backup for powering your electric vehicles up to 7.5 extra miles on a single charge. Waiting for recharging was always boring, but with Monster X, you can enjoy the fastest recharge rate. We designed Monster X with convenience in mind. It is both compact and lightweight, so you can take it with you no matter where you go. Monster X goes well with none of the noise, emissions, or maintenance, so it is a perfect generator that can stay right beside you at home. With Monster X, there is no need to worry about blackout any longer. All your home appliances can stay powered for hours, so you can still enjoy the light, food, and music with your friends and family. The Smart Power Management System and its Sidekick app allow you to monitor the Monster X battery whenever and wherever, and you can turn the outputs on or off as required. Monster X owns 4 regular USB ports, 2 60-watt USB-C ports, plus 4 wall outlets on the International or American edition. 11 devices can be charged at the same time, all on one powerful generator. Both Monster X's battery and structure are very powerful. The 1,300 watt-hours battery pack is reinforced by the aluminum alloy structure, and it's protected by ABS plus PC shed. You will never need to be concerned when you move it or carry it out. Without pollution or carbon emissions, Monster X is compatible with any solar panels in the market. Powered by perfect sunlight of nature, it can be fully recharged within 4 hours. Monster X is a revolutionary battery-powered generator. It brings you the new era of energy storage and power supply. Power all your devices and tools upon your request. Power your life all day, every day.
You ever feel like your house just can't get clean enough? Breakfast messes, dog fur, and hair everywhere on the floor. Now, I've tried everything to clean. The fact is that some robot vacuums just don't clean very well, and you often need different tools to clean with. And lots of times, you have to clean up tangled hair on the insides yourself. Then, I found Higher Tabot. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner.
Tabot has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again.
That's not all it cleans.
Tabot has a super unique built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard-to-reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the TAB Tabot app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but TAB Tabot has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. TAB Tabot really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but Hire TAB is an online company that is part of the Hire Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use TAB Tabot over the entire house.